Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nesting Padasari. So tomorrow many students you will be writing your Icmr JRF examination. So this video is the last video that many students should watch if you are going to write your Icmr JRF examination. So first thing is that with regarding to time management, you should know that exam duration is for 2 hours. So you need to split the 2 hours into 3 divisions. So first 45 minutes just target for part B question, that many questions asked in part B will be asked from the subject related questions. So it is easy for you to start with part B questions of. So first 45 minutes dedicate for part B. Next 45 minutes dedicate for part A. And next 30 minutes sit simply. Why I'm saying means, since it is a computer based test, that's an option of that's a possibility of changing from one option to another option. So once you attempt a question, just give a final check and just sit simply. Don't need to revisit question, because sometimes your mind may think in a wrong way. It will collapse you and mark you an answer which you first you will be marking a correct answer, but due to this kind of collapsing mind, you will be marking some other answer that is wrong. Okay, so for those things I'm asking you to sit simply. So next thing is, it consists of two sections, section A and section B. Section A is aptitude and consists of 50 questions, no choice. You need to attempt all the 50 questions. Okay, next is section B, from which section B subject related question will be asked, and totally 100 questions will be given, and from that you need to attempt only 75 questions. You can leave 25 questions of choice. Okay, and there is no possibility and there is no any issue of attempting all the question that has been asked, friends. Okay, so how many questions you need to attempt? So if you belong to general candidate, then for part A try to attempt correct answer for 35 questions. So underline the word correct answer, because that is a negative marking. If you done any wrong question means, then 0.25 marks will be deducted. Okay, so part A try to attempt correct answers for 35 questions, and part B try to attempt correct answers for 65 questions. Okay, so totally your mark will be 100 marks out of 125, and your percentage is 80%. Okay, this is for general candidate and EWS candidate. Whereas for other candidate like OBC, SC, ST, for part A try to attempt correct answers for 30 questions, and for part B try to attempt correct answers for 60 questions. So on the whole you will be getting 90 marks out of 125, and your percentage will be 72%, which is well sufficient, because many students will be attempting more question and finally ended up in a negative marking. So with this particular attempting 35 questions and 65 questions well sufficient for general, and attempting 30 questions 60 questions is well sufficient for those students who are belonging to OBC, SC, ST candidate. Okay, next is with regarding why I am putting this particular thing. When I analyze the Icmr JRF 2020 result, for general candidate the highest percentage is 81.6 and lowest percentage is 67%. Okay, and for EWS the highest percentage is 66 and lowest percentage is 60, and for OBC the highest percentage is 67 and for lowest percentage it is 60. Okay, and for SC and ST the marks are given accordingly. Same for 2020 examination also. For general candidate the highest ever percentage scored by the candidate is 82% and the lowest is 68, and for EWS the highest percentage is 71 and the lowest percentage is 64, and for OBC the highest percentage is 70 and the lowest percentage is 62. Okay, so like this you should know and you should work on smartly, friends. Next, many students are asking whether the calculator will be provided at the examination hall. So here it is just mentioned calculator will not be provided. So under few special circumstances, if the question is needed calculated, then they will be giving a virtual calculator that will be available in the computer screen itself. So you are going to write the examination tomorrow, so make yourself clear about the virtual calculator. If you want more in-depth analysis, you can watch any YouTube video, friends. Next is with regarding to question, like read the question, ask the question paper twice, and then give your correct answer. Okay, so next thing is regarding to language. So only questions will be asked only in English only, friends. Total mark is for 125. Okay, so these are the list of things that you should know. In this particular website under archive, you can able to find out the result for 2020 year and the result for 2021 year. So you can check which is the final for highest percentage ever reported and lower percentage based on general category. So in the video itself, I just made you an enough analysis like how many questions you need to attempt for both for general and OBC category. So give a final check about that. Okay, so you also think about the negative marking. So all the best for your exam. If you have any other doubt, then you can ask me. So thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this video.